Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for airport informations in the Golfair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And if you scroll down at the information section, click on the Airport Information button. And as you can see, here you will find all the available airports that you can search for. So if you want to search within Europe, then first find the Europe section and then just click on the airport that you want some information on. And as you can see, here's the London Heathrow Airport with some important links like their website. You can do a web check-in and you will find all the terminal details, check-in counters, so everything that you need to know about this airport. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.